If you are in TLC Trading AI or you're thinking about joining, I just put out a strategy to my team that I believe is going to help everybody progress and profit exponentially. You got to check this out. I want you guys to watch the entire video because I'm going to break everything down for you and show you why this is so simple and duplicatable that anybody can do it. Now, you know, on this channel, I share multiple ways and multiple plays for you to earn passive income through cryptocurrency and beyond. So if that's something that you're interested in, then I want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, we're about to jump right into this, but I want to make sure that you all are in my game plan to 100 grand group. That's where I drop information first. That's where you're going to get all the notifications about presentations and anything else that I'm doing. So if you want that information, I want you to go down in the description, click on the link for game plan to 100 grand and get into my Telegram group. All right, guys, let's jump into this. I got to give you guys an update on TLC Trading AI because I haven't done one on YouTube in a while. Yes, if you're in game plan to 100 grand, you know I've been doing presentations Monday through Thursday at 8 p.m. I partnered with another group, the Major Alliances group, and we are rocking out these presentations, right? So you can join us 8 p.m. Eastern time, Monday through Thursday. And the link for that will be in the description of this video as well. But here's another thing that we have, guys. We have training that we do on Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern time as well. So if you want to learn how to grow an organization, or if you want to learn how to market the business of TLC Trading AI, then you can join our training meetings and then you can get all the education that you need. So I hope that's very helpful for you. Now, I want to say that TLC Trading AI has been performing absolutely phenomenal, but I just don't want to talk to you about it. I do want to show you some of the results. So we're going to switch over to my screen so I can show you these results that we've been having. We're in the back office for TLC Trading AI, and I'm going to show you guys some important things here. As you can see, I have 114 direct referrals. You see my direct turnover right now is $6,210, and we have 168 team members right now in my organization, and the total team turnover is $14,370. Now, I think these numbers are absolutely phenomenal, being the fact that I've only been actively building this for about 60 days. So these are 60 days worth of results, guys. I haven't even gotten warmed up yet, and this thing is absolutely cooking right now, right? Now, we're helping a lot of people achieve the success that they want, and a lot of people are starting to realize how wonderful this platform has been and the things that we are able to accomplish with this platform. All right. Now, I want you guys to understand that we've been achieving some phenomenal results, and here are some of the results. I'm going to put those on the screen here. Where the company produced a monthly profit of 16.73%. And in February, they produced a monthly profit of 17.27%. Then in March, they produced a monthly profit of 18.06%. And then in April, the monthly profit was 15.64%. And in May, we had 15.01%. What you can see is the company is consistently producing profits for us every single month. And I like that, right? They haven't stopped paying out. Every withdrawal that I have received has been within the 24-hour time frame. Most of them have actually been within the 12-hour time frame for me actually receiving those withdrawals. So I wanted to let you guys know that, yes, this thing is definitely producing profits like it's supposed to. All right, now that I've given you a short update on the performance of the project, I want to go over this strategy that I believe is going to absolutely blow your mind. This strategy is so simple and duplicatable that I believe anyone can do it. Now, the basis of this strategy is giving. Right now, you guys know I'm a big giver. If you've been rocking with me for any amount of time, you guys have witnessed me give away tens of thousands of dollars, and I'm talking about the high tens of thousands of dollars, right? But here's what I thought about. I said, what if we could bring everybody into the fold with this, so it's not just me. I believe the people in my community, that's you, right? If you're in my community, you're probably the same type of person. You probably don't mind giving. You probably don't mind blessing someone else. As a matter of fact, I presented this on one of our Zoom presentations. As a matter of fact, we did a couple Zoom presentations actually presenting this strategy, and people got so excited that they were ready to go ahead and start rocking and rolling with it ASAP. So what I'm going to show you is a way that we can gift some packages to other people and grow exponentially. I'm calling this our 3-up strategy. That's right, 3-up. What you're going to do, right, if you decide to participate, this is your mission. If you decide to accept it, is that we're going to come in and we're going to be ones that bless other people with packages when they come in. So we're not out there trying to push things on people to get them to buy packages. We're actually giving away packages, and we're telling other people to do the same thing. Now, let me show you this strategy. You might be saying, Anthony, I don't know if that's going to work. I'm telling you, it's already working right now. We just have to put it to work for us, and you have to see the strategy for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this. Now, before I share the strategy with you guys, I have to let you guys know that this is not from the company. TLC Trading AI has nothing to do with this. I haven't shared it with the company or anything. This is something that I put together for my team and something that we decided that we're going to push forward with. And I don't think the company is going to have a problem with it because it's going to help us grow exponentially. Now, once again, I call this the 3-up strategy. So here's what I'm going to tell you guys. We're going to talk about our basic packages. And what I call the basic packages are the beginning package, which is the beginning package, which is the trial package, which is $20, and the $50 package, right? So we have those two packages right there that we're going to primarily talk about this in this strategy, right? So this is you coming in with whatever package you want. Let's say even if it is the $20 package that you come in with. What we're going to tell you is that you may already have been started and you already have a package that's cool, okay? Now, what we're going to start here, and it may have to start with you, is that we're going to start gifting $20 packages to other people. Now, in this strategy, what we're going to do is everybody's going to gift 3 people with $20 packages. We're going to give 3 $20 packages to 3 different individuals. And we're going to say, hey, look, we're going to show you an incredible opportunity that we really like, and we're going to gift you a $20 package to get started. All we're asking is if you decide that you want to join and accept the package, is that you pay it forward to 3 people as well. That's all you got to do. Now, guys, we're talking about $60, 3 packages. Now, of course, there are going to be some fees. So if you want to say $65, then $65 it is, right? But let's say what we're doing in TLC is giving away 3 packages. So if you come in and you say, I'm going to give away 3 $20 packages to 3 individuals, that's on your first level. That's going to be $60 of volume. And that means that you're going to get paid through the compensation plan $6 because you make 10% on your first level. Now, on your second level, that means that you're going to tell and you're going to bring them to a presentation where we tell people about the 3-up strategy. And we're going to tell them, hey, all you have to do is give 3 packages to 3 people as well. Well, once they do that, those 3 people do that, that means that on your second level that you're going to have 9 people right there on the second level. That's $180 of volume. That means that you are going to get paid 7% off of all of those packages, which means that you are now going to earn $12.60 on that second level. Now, on that second level, the 9 people that we have there, what are we going to tell them to do? The same exact thing. Gift 3 people $20 packages, right? And they're all going to do that. We're just going to use that in this scenario. That means that on your third level, that's $540. And based on the compensation plan, you're going to be paid $32 for all the people on that level. Now, if we go to our fourth level, when those 27 people, they go out and they gift packages to 3 people, that means that you're going to have 81 people on your fourth level. That's $1,620 of volume, and you're going to make $81 on that level, guys. That's absolutely incredible there, right? Now, on your fifth level, that means that those 81 people are going to gift packages to the three people, just like everybody else did. That is 243 people with $20 packages on your fifth level, which means that's $4,860 of volume, which means that you're going to make $194 on that level. Now, I'm not going to go through each level, as you guys can see how this grows exponentially here and how we're going to escalate up this process and through this compensation plan with just gifting three packages to three people and everybody doing the same thing. So let's go down to level 10. In level 10, we've gotten up to 59,049 people who have $20 packages on that level. That means you're going to get paid $8,266 on that level. Guys, that is amazing. Now, you made all of this money up to that level, but you get to make that on that level, right? Now, if we go down 15 levels deep, I want you guys to see how this works. On level 15, you're getting paid 0.75% off of all the volume on that level. Guys, do you see how many members it is on that level? And every one of them will have $20 packages. Nothing more. We're not talking about hundreds of dollars of packages, right? That means that they're on that level, there will be $2,152,336.05 in this scenario paid out to you on level 15. In total, you would have earned $2,639,685.48. Think about this, guys, on throughout this compensation plan on the 15 levels, right? This is incredible here. Now, I know some of you all are looking at this and saying, I don't know, Anthony. I don't know. I don't know if that really works, right? And I'm going to talk about that a little bit. But I want to tell you, if we look at this and we say, well, hey, how long is it going to take? So if you come in and you tell three people and you give them their three packages, right? You give three people packages and they go forward and they're going to give their three. All you got to do is say, hey, look, can you gift three people packages within the next 24 to 48 hours, right? And I think most people will say, yeah, I got the $65. I could give three packages to three people within the next 28 to 48, 24 to 48 hours, right? Now, we know some people are going to drag their feet and it may take a week for them to do it. But let's break this down. Let's say if it took a week for everybody to do it. Guys, for us to cover 15 levels, if we did that, telling everybody a week to do it, that means that we will cover 15 levels in 15 weeks. So what if it was 15 weeks and in 15 weeks you made $2,639,685.48? Think about this, guys. This is incredible. Now, once again, I know some of you all saying, Anthony, it's not going to work that perfect. It's not going to happen like that. I get it, right? But let's think about this. What if we were only 10% effective, right, at executing and deploying this strategy? What if we're only 10% effective? What if you earned $260,000 over the next 15 weeks? Only 10% of what I'm talking about here, right? What if you earn $260,000 over the next 15 weeks? Right? Would that mean anything to you? What if we were half of that successful? Right? What if you were able to earn $130,000 over the next 15 weeks? Would this be worth this strategy of you having to gift somebody a package one time for $20 for three people? That's $65 total with fees. And everybody having to one time gift out these packages. Not go back over and over again gifting out these packages, right? Now, this is only counting when you gift somebody a package. Now, if they say, well, look, I want to make more than this because each package is going to pay me 15 to 30% per month. You gave it to me for free, but I want more money working for me. What if they decide they want to go purchase a $500 package on their own? You're going to get paid off of that as well. Also, in this strategy, it's not taking into account any of the matching bonuses here, right? So there's no matching bonuses, no additional package purchases are being counted in this strategy and in these amounts that I'm showing you guys here. So I believe that this strategy could be something that could help us grow exponentially. Now, I want to show you, this is with a $20 package. But what if somebody decides, remember I said we're going to base this on our $20 package and the $50 package. What if someone decides that they want to do the $50 package and they're going to gift everybody and they're going to start a culture and they're going to start a wave of people giving $50. So now this means that you bless 3 people with $50 packages. That means that's $150 in total. Now, don't think this is too outrageous. There's other MLM or network marketing companies which you have to start with $200 or more, or even more, way more than that, or that you have to pay $100 or $200 a month, right? On these programs. What if one time you came out of your pocket $150 and it wasn't even for you, it's for you to bless other people with $50 package, 3 people with $50 packages. Let me change this and show you these numbers, guys. So when we change this to the $50 packages, you guys see how this volume escalates here. So you see after getting through the 15 levels, right? The total earned is $6,599,213.70. Over $6 million if it works out perfectly this way. As we said before, what if it does not work out perfectly this way? What if it does not work out perfectly this way? And we're only 10% effective in deploying this strategy. What do we have there? That means that's over $650,000. $650,000 that you could make over the next 15 weeks. And even if you don't make it there, what if it was $325,000 that you could earn over the next 15 weeks? Or guys, let's be totally honest. What if it took 15 months for us to do this? Would it be worth it? Right? Everybody's only coming out of their pocket one time with either $65 or $150. We're minimizing the risk for everyone, and we're maximizing how everyone can capitalize off of the program. So I think this is an incredible strategy right here. Man, I rolled this out to my team. I'm going to continue to let you guys know how this is going with our team. We're already growing exponentially. I expect us to continue to grow exponentially so that we can see some incredible things happen. I want to invite you guys to come out to some of our presentations, right? Because I believe once you see our presentation, you're going to see how this thing is going to grow so fast. We've put out scripts and we've put out videos that make this even easier for people to share it with their organization. One of the things I know from being successful in a lot of different companies and a lot of different compensation plans, the best thing that you could do is to make that compensation plan and your strategy simple and duplicatable, right? And I want you guys to do that. If you decide not to use this strategy, that's cool. If TLC is not for you, that's cool. We don't need any hate in the comments. We don't need all that other stuff. You know what? If you got other stuff that you want to say about it, say it on your own channel. That's fine. But I'm just sharing strategies here that I believe can help people go to the next level because I want to help as many people as possible. I want to invade, impact, and influence this marketplace so that we all can be more successful. As always, guys, you know what we're going to do, right? We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well, and we will only invest what we're willing to lose. But you know, we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.